Me too. All right, you ready?
No.
Well, you back up. What are you doing?
I'm getting an angle.
Okay.
I get an angle.
Hey guys, it's Courtney here with Little Kitten Krafts, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these and these. That's right, I'm showing you how to make freeform resin journals. So, let's get started. All products used in this video will be listed down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, give me some ideas on what else you might use these. I'm using this one for my new 67 challenge, but they're notebooks, right? You can use them for anything. Voiceover Little Kitten Krafts here, and the first thing I'm going to say is you want your area that you're marking out to be bigger than twice the size of the journal cover that you're wanting. Also, word to the wise, I would not use tape like I used in the video. I would instead use some kind of ink because the tape actually cures into the resin. We mixed our resin off camera as usual and then divided it into 3 equal pieces. I then added the colors that I wanted to, which will be shown here up on the screen, and poured them into the outlined area in a cute pattern that I liked. Remember, as always, resin is up to the interpretation, and you can make a beautiful piece that looks very, very different from mine, and it would still be stunning. Once you have your resin down into your outline, go ahead and start playing with it. Really, you can't mess this up. We can move the parts around, swoosh it, whatever. Just let the resin do its thing and move it however you want. Just make sure that you're filling out your outline so that you get roughly the right size that you want for your journal cover.
Voiceover Bunny here. First, start by measuring your piece, what you want to cut out. Use microfiber cloths to protect your piece from your clamps, and a mask. I use a razor saw, but you can use any sort of fine-toothed finishing saw.
guess who's back? Little Kitten. Going over the top coating process. I went ahead and used my Cricut to make these cute little vinyls. If you saw my last vlog, then you saw that I am starting today, actually, the 67 Try Your Best Biche. And the other one was just funny, so I used that. I mixed up my resin and then separated it out for each piece. Added a little hollow to it because nothing makes a piece stand out more than more glitter. And then I gently spread it around. A little trick that I learned when top coating something is if you use a light source and tilt your head, you can see the glare off of the top from the wetness of the resin. And you can use that as a way to tell if something is or isn't covered fully with your resin while top coating. I've also got these pieces elevated with some urine sample cups. I strongly suggest that instead of using something like that, you actually use maybe a silicone measuring cup or something that's got a bit more grip, because you'll see as I'm putting the top coat on, it's gonna get kind of squirrely on me, and if you use something with more grip, it's not gonna run away. Once your top coat is cured, then you can clean up the piece with some light sanding. You still want to keep its natural look, but you want to clean up the edges so that they're not sharp. Then you want to line up the holes for punching and then punch them.
And you line it up this way. Set it down. And squeeze and it goes right through. No problem.
Yay! So that's how we made our really cool resin notebooks. This one I love because it glows in the dark, and then this one just turned out really epic. Obviously, with all resin art, you can make it your own thing. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved what you saw, make sure to sprinkle holographic love all over the like button. Want to see more? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you wouldn't mind, please hitting the notification bell so that you know whenever we next post. I'm Courtney with Little Kitten Krafts, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Just when I heard your phone ringing, but it was a bird. What's up?
I'm just looking at the lighting. Because I've been recording the whole time. Which is a terrible idea because we only have 20 minutes left. Oh. And now I have super glare. Ultra glare, 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 glare. Oh my gosh, that is so much worse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Defeats the purpose of that light entirely. And this is stuck. And I can't reach it.